The Family Resources Survey (FRS) is one of the United Kingdom's largest household surveys, with around 20,000 households taking part every year, until 2019-20. I say that because survey year 2020-21 was affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, and as a result, sample size was just over 10,000. The FRS achieved sample for the 2021-22 survey year returned towards that expected in a normal survey year, with well over 16,000 households interviewed. FRS is a nationwide survey ran by the Department for Work and Pensions, with all UK households having a chance of being selected, not just DWP claimants. In October 2022, it celebrated its 30-year anniversary. It is a continuous, cross-sectional survey spanning the financial year. The survey year starts in April and ends in March. Essentially, it is a study of the living standards and circumstances of people living in the UK today. It collects information on various themes that are important to the DWP policy, including income, detailed characteristics of individual respondents, but it also covers topics such as material deprivation, pension participation, and well-being. On average, interviews last approximately an hour, but can be longer for some households. You can find more detailed information on survey design in our methodology document, published on the gov.uk website. In very brief detail, here are just a few points on sample selection. FRS is a survey of private households only. How are households selected? In Great Britain, the FRS sample is drawn from the Royal Mail's Small Users Postcode Address File, PAF. The Small Users PAF is limited to addresses which receive, on average, fewer than 50 items of post per day, and which are not flagged with the Royal Mail's organisation code. An updated version of this list is obtained twice a year. By using only the small user delivery points, most large institutions and businesses are excluded from the sample. Small user delivery points, which are flagged as small business addresses, are also excluded. However, some small businesses and other ineligible addresses remain on the sampling frame. If sampled, they are recorded as ineligible once the interviewer verifies that no private household lives there. The Great Britain FRS uses a stratified, clustered probability sample design. The survey samples 1,417 postcode sectors from around 9,200 in Great Britain, with a probability of selection that is proportional to size. Each postcode sector is known as a primary sampling unit, PSU. In this case, stratified means split into geographical stratums, and cluster means addresses within postcode sections.